everyone! Today, I want to talk about going to swimming. I like swimming very much. Swimming makes me feel happy. Swimming is good for my body. Swimming helps me relax. Every week, I go to the swimming pool. Sometimes I go to the beach to swim. I like the beach because the air is fresh. The water at the beach feels cool. The sound of the waves makes me calm. I enjoy swimming in the morning. In the morning, the sun is soft. The weather is cool. I feel fresh in the morning. Sometimes I go swimming in the afternoon. The afternoon is a little hot, but I still enjoy swimming. Swimming makes me feel light. Swimming makes me feel free. When I swim, I forget stress. I forget worry. I only feel water around me. I only feel peace. I like swimming alone sometimes. Sometimes I swim with my friends. Swimming with friends is fun. We talk, we laugh, we play in the water. I feel happy with my friends. We often swim for 30 minutes. Sometimes we swim for 2 hours. After swimming, I feel tired. But it is a good tired. It is a healthy tired. I like that feeling. Before I swim, I do warm-up exercises. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I move my shoulders. I move my neck. Warm-up is important. Warm-up helps me avoid injury. After warm-up, I go into the water. The water feels cold at first, but after a few minutes, I feel okay. I start to swim slowly. I breathe in. I breathe out. Breathing is important. Good breathing helps me swim well. I try to move my arms correctly. I try to move my legs correctly. I practice every day. I want to swim better. I want to be strong. I want to be healthy. Swimming helps my heart. Swimming helps my lungs. Swimming helps my muscles. Swimming helps my mind. After swimming, I take a rest. I sit on a chair. I drink water. Sometimes I drink coconut water. Sometimes I drink juice. Drinking water is important. I don't want to be thirsty. After resting, I take a shower. I wash my face. I wash my hair. I wash my body. I feel clean after swimming. I feel fresh after swimming. I feel happy after swimming. Sometimes I go home after swimming. Sometimes I go to eat lunch. Swimming makes me hungry. I like to eat after swimming. I eat rice. I eat noodles. I eat vegetables. I eat fruit. I eat healthy food. Healthy food is good for my body. Swimming and healthy food make me strong. Swimming is not difficult. Swimming is easy if you practice. I practice many times. I try my best. I do not give up. I keep going. I keep learning. I keep swimming. At the beach, I feel relaxed. I hear the sound of the waves. I feel the wind. I walk on the sand. The sand feels soft. I look at the sky. The sky looks beautiful. The water shines in the sun. I love that moment. I love swimming. Swimming gives me energy. Swimming gives me joy. Swimming gives me peace. I want to swim every week. I want to swim for many years. Swimming is a part of my life. Swimming is my hobby. Swimming is my love. I always feel happy when I swim. I hope I can swim forever. I hope everyone can try swimming. Swimming is good for everyone. Swimming is fun for everyone. Thank you for reading my writing. I am happy to share about swimming. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you go swimming too. Leave a comment and tell me about, do you often go to swim? Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.